Oh my god. I hate washing makeup brushes. I'm gonna do this. I am actually gonna do this. I just took a cover photo. This was my cover photo, okay? Sad. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy me washing my 10,000 brushes. I know I'm being dramatic. Some people are going to look at this and be like, it's not even that bad. But it is. It is. You haven't been there. You haven't done that. I put it off so much. And I've thrown away so much brushes as well. So I don't get to this point. But even then, I'm still here. I'm still struggling. Still putting it off. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I hope it brings some of you guys satisfaction. I want to finish this video and watch it and feel satisfied at the end of it. It's more like a project for me, and it's more like, let's do this, rather than, oh, I can't be asked to do it, I'm never gonna do it, and put it off for the long as I did. Put it off for so long, and it's getting to a point where I have no more new brushes left. So I have got a little mesh bin where I'm gonna put all my brushes in. I couldn't find a container. We don't really use this as a bin, it's just like a container. Also found some old towels that I can use for the surface to actually dry the brushes, because I want them to dry next to the radiator, and I don't really have a lot of surface in this house. I'm just gonna put up an ironing board. It creates a new surface and people don't really need it that much. So I'm just gonna start placing all my brushes here, and let's get this happening. Let's do this. Okay, so now I have gathered all my brushes. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but this is gonna kill me. If you guys haven't washed makeup brushes, you don't know the struggle, okay? And also the easiest brushes are actually the powder brushes to wash, like the big fluffy powder brushes and like little fluffy eyeshadow brushes. But those concealer brushes, those foundation brushes, and brushes that have used like really bright colors as well sometimes stain the brushes. So I feel like I'm talking way too in-depth about washing brushes. This is literally something I put off for the end of eternity. I hate washing brushes, as you can see, and it's getting to the point where I don't have any more clean brushes now, so I have to wash them. And I do like wash those brushes. I'm going to be using these Sigma mattes. Sigma was so kind enough to like give me these, and I really actually like using them. I know there's so many like ways you can wash brushes with like just normal detergent, so there are videos, but this is just what I like to use because I'm bougie as hell, and why not if I got it for free, right? And thank you so much, Sigma, for sending it to me. I'm very grateful. So oh my god, this is all my makeup brushes. That's a mask. I don't even know if it's gonna come off. I was actually looking for this, but obviously this is where it's been. This honey right here is from Halloween. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna separate all my powder brushes from all foundation and cream products on, because I know the powder brushes are so much easier to wash. So I'm gonna get through them first, and I don't think I have that many foundation brushes because I do seem to use beauty blenders quite a lot. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna separate them. So all my powder brush is gonna go here, and all the stuff that's harder to wash is gonna go here. I'm also gonna put my littler brushes into the shoebox. I know it looks really nasty, but I promise you all these stuff are just like makeup brushes stuff, and these brushes are gonna get washed anyway. So I know it looks super nasty, but I promise it's not that nasty.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So
the creams, powder face, and then just eyes, and there's some like cream brushes in here, but they seem fairly easy to take off, so hopefully they'll come off easy. But I wanted to keep them roughly together. I'm in my kitchen right now. I hope you'd love all these like really oriental decorations. I just love my mom's decor choices. Sometimes it's really good. Other than that, I'm gonna literally set up all my brushes out here. I'm gonna clear this whole space out so I can just set things up and just start washing brushes, and I'm gonna film myself on time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully by the end of this, for you guys, it's gonna seem so fast. For me, it's gonna take me a whole eternity to get through this. So wish me luck.
I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up, keep it.
So set up my area where I'm going to be washing up. I just did like a quick tester thing just to see how it would react. So this is going to be my pool of water. I'm going to change it out for some warm water, and I'm going to have some detergent in there. I'm going to have a bit of this in there just to help it loosen it up. That's going to be the first base, and then second base it comes here. Each brush gets a little pump of this, scrub, and if anything goes wrong, if anything needs straightening out, I'm just going to brush it through. I'm going to lay it all out here, and then it makes it onto the ironing board to dry, and then I'll move the ironing board next to the radiator to dry even more. So I have it all laid out here, grab it on the go sort of thing. This is what I'll be doing for the next couple of hours.
You down, you a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me
I've upgraded some stuff. I've just been doing this, so it's easier for me to just dip and wash. And also with this, I've decided when I was washing these brushes earlier, have the tap running slowly and then just be able to wash it in there, and the water is like self-cleaning itself. I think this whole system's working quite well.
that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, and that's a lesson that I learned all by myself. Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
Okay, update. It's been 3 hours. I am so tired. Oh my god, look at both fingers. They are actually starting to hurt. This one's starting to hurt. This one's had the most pressure on it. I'm so tired. My legs hurt and it's quite cold in here. I've done more than half my brushes. The only brushes left now are these. And look how satisfying and nice that looks there. It's just these left now, and these are so little and so tedious. I should have started with these, get them over and done with, but obviously I was avoiding them for a reason. Baby, stress is all around us, these high ceilings, and I need it, baby. Pressure and make diamonds, I won't steal it, baby. Silent, baby, hurts to see you crying, know you trying, ain't no lying, baby. When I say I need you, greedy if I have to share you. It was me that all along did you wrong. Okay guys, I have finally finished.
I'll find a way to treat you better. I swear there's no one out there like you. You teach me to.
I'm proud of myself that I did it. I'm proud of myself that I filmed it. I'm proud of myself that I hit 2 birds with 1 stone. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just like a really basic video of me being extra about how many brushes I have, because I do have a lot, but it's not that much. It could be worse. But I also understand that no one needs this much brushes, and I have a problem. I definitely do.
Be better. My talk is cheap, keep asking what I do. I'll fly you to the moon and hope I'll see you soon. I'll find a way to treat you better. No problem, I'll do whatever.